Hi, everyone, and welcome to today's episode. I'm pleased to be joined by Dr. Boris Jinjolava, CEO and founder of ViClinic. How are you today, Boris?
Oh, thank you. I'm good. How are you? Thank you for
Good.
inviting me.
Oh, my pleasure. So just so everybody knows, Boris lives in Georgia, not the state of Georgia, but the country of Georgia. And we have an
Yeah,
interesting connection that I won't go into here, but we discussed, and it's just great to have you here and great to get your perspective.
thank you. Thank you.
So let's jump in, Boris. Just it's interesting because when I talk to these healthcare AI founders, sometimes they're MDs that have seen a problem and want to go about solving it, and AI is an approach that they use. Others are technologists, but you come at it from an MD side, a practitioner side.
Yes.
So just maybe start by telling us about your journey from practicing medicine to becoming a healthcare technology entrepreneur.
Thank you. I'm physician. I used to work as a anesthesiologist and intensive care doctor. Also have experience like for being general practitioner, but mainly for like severe cases in intensive unit and like the more complicated medicine like in anesthesiology and so on. So I had the probably 7 or 8 year experience of being physician. Then everybody wants to like self-develop, and I have my MBA. And that connection, MBA and physician experience led me to become like a manager for multinational pharmaceuticals like Johnson and Johnson, Schering-Plough. I used to work as a C-level manager for those companies, launched several products, managed a lot of people in different countries, and so got experience of doing business in multi-billion
Sure.
companies and this corporate culture to get known what is this and this environment or corporate how does it work. So then like after 10 years of experiencing in these multinational companies with having success and launching several new brands products in several countries, I decided everybody wants to create own business.
Hmm.
And I decided it's time, or maybe already late. I should
Right.
quit. And in 2016, I quit. It was like risky moving from stable
Yep.
job to uncertainty, but you should challenge yourself.
Yep.
And it was, I think, one of the good decision I did. And I had some entrepreneurship experience in same area in healthcare, in pharmaceuticals, and so on. And it was also successful. Then, as you know, this COVID situation started, like lockdowns, and everybody went to home. And I suddenly realized that healthcare never gonna be same.
Yeah.
It's everybody never see in person doctor,
Yeah.
physicians.
Yeah. Yeah.
That I decided to I move to this technology area, find the people, young, smarter than me, technologists and
Right. Right.
engineers,
Yeah.
and we decided, and then we created this telehealth platform, ViClinic, from which we created 2021. And our goal vision was to create platform which is this simple, easy to navigate, and which repeats the real physician workflow, physician-patient communication, and the admission workflow. So make it like mimicry of the real life. In few years, we created this product company, then founded company in USA. ViClinic is Delaware Corporation. Then we went through this approval process from Google, from the iOS. We published our Google app, iOS app. Then we had the web application. So we end up with the product, which is the mobile application and web platform for telehealth, which includes scheduling, then video conferencing, own EMR, there's messaging, follow-ups, and so on. So we had this some traction patients, physicians registered it. We started in USA from the larger market where the more like interest and the challenges are. And during the communication with the physicians, we realized that there is a big market also unmet needs in EMR market. I mean, it's complicated. Nobody likes this very complicated click-savvy EMRs and so on. And that's why we a little bit shifted. We now position ourselves as a EMR company with plus telehealth.
Gotcha.
So and we developed our EMR in that way to be like physician oriented, not like for reporting to insurance or administrative, but physician oriented. It is EMR initial purpose is like help physician to make decision and they help the patient to become healthier. Then this AI era started. And again, is self-development. I was interested. We had some initial connection with general available AI models to our platform from patient side, from physician side, but it was like general one, API connected, this general solution. That's why I started like more digging it, and I went to MIT AI in healthcare course, and then I realized that nobody knows what is AI.
Right.
And there are a lot of challenges, unmet challenges in the AI area, and there are a lot of over expectations from this. And that formed our vision that let's do something very specific and very simple, which can be explained. How does it work? And in this journey, we were introduced luckily to IBM. And when we discussed our visions, solutions, and somehow they trust us, and we engaged in their like co-build program where the AI engineers from IBM side and our engineers, we have also AI engineers from our side, co-build it product.
Interesting.
That was like a kind of miracle, but
yeah.
But what we started that I still believe that for like letting AI be involved in diagnostic decision making, it's still early. Physician is the main person in decision making and the responsible for the patient's outcome, health, and so on. But physician needs help and physician needs support. And we started from small and from simple way, from initial steps of physician-patient communication and helping physician make patient more prepared for visit and helping patient to be more prepared before the appointment. And that's why I created this AI assistant, which is powered the IBM AI, but we trained it ourselves. It's not like a complex training. We are not making any decision. We're just asking the patient's questions, common questions, which is like everybody knows, but trying to ask everything, trying to not overlook any symptom or history of disease, and that's make the patient more aware or themselves about disease and ready to visit. So how does it work? We call it Dr. V. It's powered by IBM Watson X assistant, it kind of AI platform which is connected to AI models, some well-known models, and it asks the question step by step to patient about symptoms. So we gave logic about when to ask, what to question, and that kind of information gave and then so this is the conversation between AI and patient. Then another AI, Watson X, makes the structured summary like soap note out of that conversation. Patient overview that summary agrees or not, and can make these changes in this summary. And then after the patient's approval, that patient agree with this information, it goes directly to EMR medical notes. So now it goes to our ViClinic notes, but it can be connected with any EMR. So it's kind of separate product.
Yep, yep.
And this is what we did, and it is the AI assistant powered
Ooh,
by IBM and developed with simple, grounded company like we.
cool, cool. Hey, Boris, so just a question for you. So you mentioned the patient, is the AI like using voice prompts to ask the patient a question, or is the physician asking the patient and the AI is listening? Tell us a little bit about how that patient
No,
experience is.
we had when we discussed it, which AI product we have to create. There was options, several options. One of these, like speech to text or text to speech AI models. This is the simple, like when voice is transcripted to the text for the patient.
Yep.
We're gonna add this feature to our AI model soon. It's in process of development, but our intention was not to just but let the patient let the AI become assistant to the physician, keep the physician's time, and ask simple questions, which is physician usually asks to patient.
Yep.
And in this process, save like 10 minutes or 15 minutes at least for in appointment time. And when there is in simple interactions, when it's not small practices, it's not busy physician can do it itself or themselves, they can do it. But when it's like big companies at scale, time is important, then AI can help bring prepared for visit patient and avoid losing the time, avoid the unnecessary visits, and make collect more information for better decision making.
Yep.
So AI is questioning, AI asking questions. It's like the other way than ordinary chatbot. Chatbot, you are asking and it's
Yep.
responding. And AI does not give any advice, just asking question. What is your problem? Like, I have the headache. Then, okay, what kind of headache you have, when it started, and its question is coming. What makes me feel you better, and so on.
So Boris, then the AI then is able to like adapt the questions based on the answers that the patient's giving it?
Yes, we did it initially within the capabilities we had with this model. What's an assistant, and what it's like the pre-built hard logic, and there is some kind of decision tree when to ask what the question. But now we just recently started developing new improved model it with AI agents already, also powered with the IBM. We just starting with developing it, and with these models and capabilities, with this AI agent plus our assistant plus summarization plus other knowledge base, then we already tested, and we know now, right now, that conversation is like natural
Right.
context based on patient's response context, and it is more like smooth than model we had before.
Cool. So I think what's interesting is that you partnered with IBM, and maybe, whatever you think you got lucky and ended up in the right place at the right time. But tell us about that experience. Again, thinking about, other healthcare AI CEOs out there that are doing a whole bunch of different things. But tell us about your experience partnering with a company like IBM and whatever, like just generally how that works. I mean,
yeah, it's not easy. IBM is a huge company, and infrastructure, like company structure, a lot of representatives. But sometimes when your vision is aligned with their vision, it goes faster and smooth in process. As soon as we had some approvals, checking our capabilities, our team's technical capabilities, and so on. After that, when they become aware that and they trusted our capabilities, this proof of concept, so-called, project starts. When from your side and their side, engineers communicate and creating together this product. And in this process, I mean, this, as I told you, vision should be same, should start from simple products, simple steps, should not have any like false expectations. Miracles never happen, but consistency and expertise in technical or kind of in medical field and in communications from both sides helps to create
And
products.
what do they bring to the table for you other than the big brand? What is it?
No,
Sorry.
as I told you, I mean, we use their AI models,
Yep, yep,
and the product, our product is based on the IBM cloud,
yep.
and they have the tools for like us companies, let them help. I mean, it's not the general product, but it's the tailored one, trained for specific purpose and specific
Gotcha.
reason. And it's not simple tuning, but you have this product. We build the special server on IBM for that. Then it connected API to our telehealth. Then it's gave some knowledge base for dialogues and questions necessary,
Yep.
and that kind of interaction from our side, from their side. They tech expertise and our like engineers, they talked in fortunately in one language,
Yep.
and that is important that
Excellent.
everybody should understand each other, and then you can get the product which can be marketed.
And is this done through, do they have like a formal partnership program for this, or is it a special, like what is sort of like, quote, the name of the program?
Yes, they have the formal partnership program. Actually, everybody can apply for it. And if I don't know their criteria, but if you meet the criteria and if you explain, if you have some capabilities, team, product which can be developed and which can have some prospect in AI area or in other areas. They have also in other areas like automation and data sciences. But now it's automation, data, AI, all together. They are doing same job. They have in different fields like in banking, in sales, and so in huge company. But healthcare also maybe this idea, our approach, simplicity. We don't want to make some substitute of physician. We just want to help physician and create some kind of simple assistant which can be like marketed, and maybe they see some prospect in this product, and that's why they are helping us, and
Sure.
I appreciate and very grateful to them. And it's I mean good partnership. Also for them, I think it's interesting and working with like us companies, and it should be way of from both sides.
Excellent. How do you go to market in the US or other parts of the world?
I mean, market. It's not easy.
Yep.
It's not easy. Still, this. I mean, standard tools. But we don't have funds for like huge advertisement or this kind of campaigns.
Yep.
But we try to mix some kind of this digital capabilities also with some networking capabilities from IBM. They have also supporting us from go-to-market activities, and it's very helpful. So, in my opinion, this personal connection or introduction or like personal communication works better than like cold mailing or
Yeah, of
like
course.
and I mean everybody gets daily thousands of
Yeah.
mails, and
Yeah.
but if there is kind of product which catches in some kind of areas and trying to meet some needs, then you maybe have the prospect. And in my opinion, you should not sell AI as a separate product. It should be like a good feature of your core product. And that's why we are, it's like improving, developing our core product EMR, which has the AI group. Then we improving AI to make our product better and this way.
Excellent, excellent. So that's been a really great interview. I'm really keen about just how you've leveraged IBM. What other, maybe just in closing, one or two pieces of advice you would have for other healthcare AI founders?
I can't make advice. Everybody loves to give advice and everybody wants to be advisor and so on. But everybody knows what is the, key points in entrepreneurship. When you are younger, I was always like, I know the importance of vision, but I didn't fully understand what is the vision. But when you become experienced, see a lot of business cases and situation, then somehow you become visionary. So you have to create some kind of vision, or you should have vision. I think this is the first. Then second is you should start doing, not thinking and evaluating. You never plan everything from the initial stage. Try, go ahead, have problems, mistakes, follow up them, be persistent, never expect miracles and something that happened in one day. And if you go step by step, small steps, develop yourself, listen to the market, then I think you will get big success.
Excellent. Well, this has been wonderful. Boris, congratulations on all
Thank
of
you.
your progress so far. I mean, it's been quite an adventure, and you certainly seem to be on a really good path. So I just want to wish you all the best of success moving forward. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you.